Hello and welcome to my new video. Today we'll be making a mount for this GPS that is used with NASA M6 Lite on this drone. Long story short, a guy that sold me this Hexacopter crashed it, and the whole frame was messed up and everything, but we bent it back and rebuilt the whole drone, and now it's just missing a GPS mount. But first we have to resolder these wires because they were bent frequently or something, I don't know. The NASA over there is losing connection with the GPS sometimes. Let's do that first. I don't know what the guy did with this one, just let me look at it. First it was giving me a message like 2 red dots and 1 green one, and apparently that means less than 5 satellites, but now it's blinking green, that's good. We can do a compass calibration. Just gonna flick this mode switch 6 times.
What is it about me? How come you can't let me go? Cause I've been waiting patiently, and you still got me on my toes. What I'm craving hit me like a tornado. Gotta let me cool, gotta let me cool, gotta let me cool, gotta let me go.
Ah shit, wrong side.